Okay, so why I'm asking this question, Ethan, you know 3 is 3, right? So 3.2 is 3 and 1 over 5. So at least they have a number. So what does square root 3 represent? So let me just tell you. So square root 3, is it bigger than 1 and smaller than 2? Don't you think so? Why, Jasper? Actually, I cannot directly compare with these two, but square root 3 is bigger than 1 and smaller than 2 squared. Why? Because square root 3 is bigger than 1 and 4. So we compare with the thing. 你看3是比1大 ,4 是不是比3大 对不对？所以根号3是不是在1和4之间 Get it, everybody? Oliver?
Yep.
Okay, this is very important, okay? So now we have learned that if I give you a timeline, okay, everybody? So this is basically 1. This is square root 4, which is 2. Understand, everybody? So this is 1 and 2. Do you understand, Ethan? Okay, so if I put what's that? Oh, no, 不会放到这里面去。So square root 1, square root 2, square root 3, and square root 4. Do you understand, everybody? Do you understand what I'm doing?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. So if you understand, so this one equals 1. This one equals 2. And we know this line has been cut into 1, 2, 3, right? So this is 1 and 1 over 3. This is 1 and 2 over 3. This is 2. Correct, everybody?
Yep.
So square root 3 is equals to 1 and 2 over 3. Don't you agree with me? Correct?
Correct.
So this one equals what? 1.666. A lot of 6. Do you remember, everybody?
Yep.
Okay, so equals 1.67. Okay, I finished. I give you some time to think about it. Okay, Mike 要好好听啊。
Okay.
Wait, Carrie, so square root of 3 is 1 and 2 over 3?
Can you say it again? Sorry, Kelly, I cannot hear you very properly. Can you say it again?
So square root of 3 is 1 and 2 over 3?
Sorry, you have a piano, so can you say it again?
Okay. So square root 3 is 1 and 2 over 3. So
yes, it's very close to that. It's not perfectly that, but because I do, you can see it's square root 1, square root 2, square root 3, square root 4, right? It should be like that. So that's why it's roughly like that. I'm just making an assumption. Understand? Yeah, it's not quite, but so that's why it's about to equals to. Get it? It's not perfectly equals to. And if you using the calculator, you do square root 3 on your calculator, everybody, you're gonna find out the square root 3 equals 1 second. So square root 3 equals 1.732. So which is very close because usually we only just to do one decimal, it's 1.7. So this is 1.7 as well. Get it? If we just do one decimal. Understand, everybody? Okay, I give you some time taking notes, okay?
Carrie, I have a question.
Yes.
If three square root equals to 1 and 2/3, then what does 1 square root equal? Is it like just still 1?
Yeah. One square root 肯定还是一。你记不记得我们上节课学过的 one square 是不是就等于1乘1？那两个一样的怎么样？出来一个，对不对？ So equals 1，对不对？ Okay, so everybody, don't you get it? Okay, so if you're clear, we're going to move forward, okay? 好，小朋友们, so what is the square root 5 equals to? So first we need to put them into a square root what and square root what? Yeah. 这两个，哎呦，谁放的？谁放的？我们来看看对不对啊 ？OK， 我看看啊，这个把我的脸顶在自己脸上的小朋友，看他对不对啊 ？OK，so four square root equals what? Square root equals what?
The first square root equals to 2.
Very good. And square root 9 equals what?
3.
Very good. So square root 5 is bigger than 2 and smaller than 3. Very good. So now what's next, everybody? I'm going to build a line. Okay, so here, so this line, it is square root 4 and square root 9. So 2 and 3. So everybody, so we're going to list it, okay? Square root 5, square root 6. Oh, sorry, it's not very good. So it should be a little bit more. Square root 5, square root 6, square root 7, square root 8. Correct, everybody? I know I'm not like perfectly cutting them into the equal part. Ethan, do you understand? Yeah? Jasper, are you with me still?
Yeah.
OK， 好，那老师你看，因为这里是4、5、6、7、8、9，对不对？那我们就把它分成这么几块好了。那我们看看这个5在哪里啊？5是不是在1、2、3、4、5？就是把这个1分成5份，它这里是1/5、2/5、3，差不多，肯定不是 perfectly 的。但是我是不是就这样子分啊？对不对，小朋友们 ？Understand, Ethan? OK? Yeah, OK. So 那老师说什么？那根号5就等于什么 ？2 and 1/5. So we'll be around, not really, okay, around 2.2. So everybody, I want you to do the calculator and check your answer if it is right. 5 square root, yeah, equals, square root 5 equals 2.23. So which is, if the 1 decimal, 2.2, we get it almost right. Get it, everybody? So I'm going to stop here. If you have any questions, please let me know, okay? I'm waiting for all of you. If you have any questions, that's a perfect time to just erase up and let me answer you. Michael, understand? Okay, you understood everything. Mike?
Yep.
Okay. How about you, Jasper?
Yep.
Okay, and Ethan?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so do you need time to still copying everything or we can just move on?
I finished copying everything, so I think
Okay,
on.
okay. Okay, 那好，如果大家都懂了啊，so square root 7 is bigger than what and smaller than what? Okay, Carrie and Carrie，你们不能把答案写在上面啊，别的小朋友就抄你们的，不行，要他们也要自己想一想，知道吗？
I didn't write the answer on the board. Well, at least I did it. I did for like the first half. But still.
OK，好，everybody，啊，这个一问谁写的啊？那个打屁股，打屁股，打屁股。Okay, we put it very close to numbers. So 7 is bigger than what? Ethan, can you give me a number which is could be it's a square number? 9. Huh?
4,
4. Very good. And smaller than what, Ethan?
9,
Very good. Good job. Square 7 is bigger than 2 and smaller than 3 as well. So everybody, your turn. So you're going to do the line yourself and you're going to estimate and telling me exactly how about square root 7 equals. Okay? Very good. We're doing very good.
Do we type the answer in the chat?
Yes, please. Okay, I have received 2 answers. One answer. Oh, Ethan has sent it to me already. Okay, so everybody, so we have here
A little
2.
bit more time,
Yeah,
please.
no problem. I'm just doing this like for later on. Cowie. Cowie, thank you. Thank you for changing my name. So cute. Cowie. Simple, simple. Howie is the Lou. Okay, so everybody, I have already helped you. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct, Ethan? Did you see that? Okay, so Michael, so I'm not saying that it's exactly that, right? It's just about, understand? It's about the answer. So it's 2 point, so this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I cut this 2 to 3, cut it into evenly into 5. So this one's 1 over 5. This is 2 over 5, right? So that's why this is 2 and 1 over 5, 2 and 2 over 5, 3 and, sorry, 2 and 3 over 5, 2 and 4 over 5, and this one is 2 over 5 over 5, which is 3. Correct? Okay, which is 2 over 3. So now let's take a look at this one. So we are calculating, we're just to estimate what is the value of square root 7. So square root 7 equals what? Equals 2 and 3 over 5. Correct, Ethan? Jasper? Okay, so
Yeah.
that's why this one equals 2.6.
0.6.
2.6. So a lot of students say, 老师，为什么要把这个转成小数点？是因为 if you go to the calculator，你看你去算 square root 7，它出来的就是小数点，是2.64，所以它只有一个小数点2.6， so it's very close to each other. Get it, everybody? Okay? 因为你的 calculator 给你的小数点，所以我们也用小数点。If your calculator give you decimal， 那我们fraction， 那我们也给你 fraction。OK？ 好，下面我们来做最后一道题。OK？ 不是最后一道，还要练啊。Square root 11 equals what? Square root 11 equals what? Okay, so first you need to put good job, okay, Michael? Michael, very good. Okay, can we 我们班里面做的这道题目，前面那道题目做对的就是 Michael。Michael 是唯一一个做对的。OK，Carrie 洛、Carrie 洛、Mike、Ethan、Jasper 都要加油了啊。OK，好，我们首先来看这两个数字。So square root 11 is in square root which two number? Jasper, can you tell me?
It's the
你看11比11小的一个完全平方数 ，perfect square numbers。你来算嘛，那1乘以1是不是太小了？那2
Yeah.
乘以2呢？那3乘以3呢？4乘以4呢？你自己看一看。那这个1、4、9、
有
9，那你应该这里放什么数字
nine.
？9 and 这儿呢
That's 16.
？Very good。OK，好，那个 Jasper 已经帮你们了啊，Jasper 已经帮你们了。OK，上一次是 Ethan 帮你们。OK，好，那也就是说 square root 11 is bigger than 3 and smaller than 4. Okay, everybody get the timeline and you can do it. OK，伊森又是第一个做完的，检查一下伊森 OK，不要着急。我先问大家，你看啊，这个是9到4，所以我们要分成1、2、3、4、5份，对不对？我们再往前面看看，你看这里是4和1，根号4和根号1，所以分成1、2、3、3份。我这边是9到4，所以我是分成1、2、3、4、5份。所以我现在先问问小朋友。So square root 9 to square root 16, how many parts we're going to divide it first? That is a very good question. Because you can find it, the conclusions. 9 to 4 is cut into 5 pieces, and 4 to 1 is cut into 3 pieces. So 16 to 9 is cutting how many pieces? 16 minus 9 equals 7 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. So this one, square root 10, square root 11, square root 12, square root 13, square root 14, square root 15. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now what's the target? The target is square root 11. So it's 2 over 7. So 3 and 2 over 7. So all we need to do is 2 divided by 7. 这个我们知道的呀，对不对？24、60、77、78、56、40、57、35啊，我不要再多了。So 3.285. So I just doing 1 decimal, 3.3. So let's just take a look at this one. So square root 3. So 3 square root 3. So equals, sorry, 11. Square root 11. So equals 3.31. So decimal just 1, 3. Okay, Michael, Ethan, very good. Ethan get it right. Michael get it right as well, because you give me the answer 3.29. That's the same thing. Okay, that's the same thing. Very good. Ethan, good job. Michael, good job. Okay, Carrie, 你们到哪去啦？这两个人，那叫Oliver，把你的这个头像换过来，我看不到你的脸，不行，把你的头像换过来啊，不能老是让我看自己，这样不好。然后那个叫什么 Daniel，把那个头拿出来，你看做的对的小朋友都是把头拿出来，头拿出来可以保你安全平安。Daniel and Oliver，快
I said mommy. What are you doing?
OK，好，我想问一下，Jasper 还有 Oliver，把你的脸换回来，好不好？老师不要说很多次了，乖一点，好不好？你不要再自己弄一个脸上去，你就把自己的脸弄好啊。哦，那个 Daniel，对对对，是的，你又是弄的那个 Oliver，我告诉你妈妈了啊，快点。你又
I
为
can't turn off the green screen for some reason.
OK，那你就把你那个照片也弄掉，我这样子也能看到你的表情的，不然我不知道。OK，Michael 懂了，Ethan 懂了。OK，Carrie, do you understand? And Jasper, do you understand? Okay, so we're gonna do
Yes.
another one. Okay, we're gonna do another one. So everybody, let's take a look at this one. So how about 23 square root? Okay, this time I'm not going to help you at all.
16.
Sorry, excuse me.
Mhm.
Uh, excuse me.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Michael, you said, excuse me. I'm waiting for your. What are you excuse me with? So you don't
I
you
think
only.
he had like a family problem or something, so he just like left.
Okay. So now I want everybody. Which
Oh,
number?
I'm almost done. I'm almost done. I'm almost
Okay.
done.
So Oliver, can you tell me which number you put here and which number you put here?
I'm almost done.
2 4 and 5.
Sorry, Carrie. Excuse me.
No, the number you put here is.
No, it's
I have-
16 and 25.
Yeah, very good. 16 and 25. Thank you.
Okay, I have a
Everybody?
few visitors. I have to go for a sec.
OK OK，好了，我看到 Carrie 洛也发给我了，还有 Carrie Lu 也发给我了。OK，Ethan Pang 也发给我了，很好。OK，so let's take a look at this one. So how do we do this? So let's see if Carrie, and Ethan get it right. Ethan is again the first one who sent me the answer. Okay, so 4 is smaller than 23 and smaller than 5. Sorry, we don't have that one. Okay, so we're going to do the number line. So square root 16 and square root 25. And like I said, everybody, because 25 minus 16 equals 9. So I know I need to equally cut them into 9 parts. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect because all we need to do is 23 equals where? So square root 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Correct? So each of them is 9, 1 over 9, 2 over 9, 3 over 9, 4 over 9, 5 over 9, 6 over 9, and 7 over 9. So it's basically 4 and 7 over 9. And remember, everybody, we have learned any number divided by 9, right? So it's 4.777, a lot of 7. But we just to take one decimal, so 4.8 is roughly square root 23 equals 2. So if you have the roughly estimate is, so if you give me 4.7, I still give you right. You give me 4.78, I give you right. You give me 4.8, you give me right. Why? Because it's a roughly answer. Understand? It's
What
a
about what about 4.77?
yeah, it's also 4.77. You're also right. Okay, this is a roughly answer. Okay, so I am very glad. So Jasper, are you still like confusing or you understood it?
I understand now.
Okay, but you didn't send me anything. Okay, so everybody, so let me just ask you a very simple question. Okay, so when we're doing this, for instance, okay, I said, okay, I want to calculate 37, square root 37. So we know it's bigger than 36 and smaller than 49, right? But the very important thing is we need to know that the square number must be a square number. Correct? If Oliver, you put a number here at 35, are you going to get a whole number out of it? No, right? And everybody, you know that square root 100 equals 10, square root 144 equals 12, and even somebody can memorize it, 225 equals 15.
15.
It's really good. But what if, everybody, I give you a big number? What if I give you a number like 784, okay? Or even I give you an even bigger number, 8,281, and I square rooted, and I said, you know what? You are not allowed to using any calculators at all. Okay, so Ethan will say, oh, this teacher is not in very good mood. She must hates me because I have a better hairstyle than her, right? Michael probably think, oh, Carrie used to be my favorite teacher, but now you know what? We're gonna reconsider this question again. But why it's like that, everybody? It's because this number is out of a range, right? But again, I'm really bad, and I said you cannot using the calculator. So let me just help you with a little bit, okay? Everybody, I can teach you the method. Without the calculator, you can get what is the square root number out of it, okay, everybody? Now, I want you to write down the perfect number like that, okay? 0 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 1 equals 1. And 2 times 2 equals 4. I want you to do this all the way to 9 times 9 yourself, okay? Now, first of all,
Done. Done.
okay, so now I'm going to do this, okay? So everybody, do you have this one in your paper, on your paper already?
Yeah.
Okay, so now why it is very important, okay? I want you to take a look. How many possible last digit are there?
Six.
Okay, very good. So they're all together, let's see, okay? So 1, 2, right? So 0, 1, and 4, and 6, sorry, and 5, and 6, and 9, and that's it. Correct? So that means if you see a number, last digit is 4, it's only possible to be something 2 times something 2, or something 8 times something 8. Do you understand what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Understood, everybody? Okay, so we're going to take away 2 digits, okay, because they are related to the last digit. We're talking about the 10th place. I want you to study the 7, okay? So 7 is bigger than 2 squared and smaller than 3 squared. Don't you agree with me? Correct? So that means this 10th place cannot be 32 and 38. It could only be 22 and 28. Do you get it, everybody? Because if I put 32 something, here will be 900 something. It's way too big. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now, is it 22 or 28? Let me just show you, okay? So I'm going to do 2 times 3 equals what? Equals 6, right? But 7 is bigger than 6. So that's why I picked the bigger one. So 784 equals 28 squared. So that's why the answer is 28. Okay, I'm gonna stop here, let you take some notes, and this is really cool, okay? I bet you can just do really big numbers and using these techniques, okay? Okay, everybody understood? Okay, so if you understand this one, I'm going to move forward to 8,281. So everybody look at the number, last one. So can you tell me this number could only be what? 我们来看一下表在这里。
1 and 9.
Very good. Something 1 and something 9. Good job, Ethan. Very good. 是 Ethan 说的吗？
Yeah.
OK 哦，我们 Ethan 这个声音还是挺成熟的呢。OK， 好，我们来看一下。So we take away these two. I don't want to talk about it. So 82. 82 is bigger than what? 两个平方数，你自己找找嘛。82 is bigger than 9 squared and smaller than 10 squared. Correct, everybody? Okay, so that means we can only put what? 91 and 99 here. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now, which one? I don't want to calculate at all. Remember, 我这个方法一点计算都不用的。那有些小朋友说9乘以10你还让我做，那9乘以10在我们这个班里面应该不算 calculator 的，对不对？应该不算 calculation 的，对不对？OK， 9乘以10等于90。So let me ask you, 82比90大还是比90小？比
82
小，
比
对不对？小，那我们就选小的那个。So 91. Get it? So if you want to check the answer, you're welcome to use your calculator. Check my answer if it is right or not.
Okay, it's like the closer number.
Yeah, any number. 好，我们现在小朋友们手里应该都有 calculator 了。等一下我会 pick 一个小朋友的名字，然后他给我们出一道题，看谁能做出来，好不好？
Okay.
两个数相乘的啊。
Wait, honestly.
你先这个先把笔记记下来。
Can I use an online calculator?
Yeah, of course.都会了吗 ？Everybody, everybody. Yes. Do you one? Okay. Let's do another one because it's so quiet. The quiet is not a good sign. The quiet is not a good sign. Okay, so everybody, I'm going to give you a number. Let me give you a number. So 1,369. So everybody, check the last digit. So the only possible answer for these two is what? Check your chart here. Last digit 是9，只能是什么？
3 or 7.
Very good. 等是谁？
Me, Daniel.
你这名字改的我都不认识，我就怎么说？就叫你名字回答问题的时候，是不是还要唱个歌呀 ？Okay, so now we take away 2 digit. Oliver, are you with me? OK， 好，那13比什么大？是不是比3的平方大，对不对？比4的平方小。这里肯定是3啊，33或者37。Understand？ 好，有没有小朋友问对这个有问题的？就是为什么不是43乘以43和47乘以47？有没有小朋友在这里不懂的
Yeah.
？Okay, very good, Jasper. Because it's 4 times 4. You can see, 如果40乘以40 it's already over. It's 1,600. Did you see? It's already over. So you always go with the smaller number. You cannot bigger than the number which is already bigger than you. Understand?
Okay.
Yeah, get it? And not
Yeah.
mentioning because you have the ones digit, and the ones digit you have to carry over. So that's why I always go with the smaller number. Very good. Okay, if you don't understand, just ask me. Don't worry about it. Okay, I can. 你看你前面这么多时间，你其实不懂，你在那边啊自己拼命想。老师跟你一说，3秒钟就解决问题了，对不对？一定要问啊。Okay, so 33 times 33 or 37 times 37. So now we decided which one to go with. 啊，这个时候 Oliver 说：“老师，我算一算好了吗？”啊，但是你听我说，我不想你算呀，对吧？今天这个东西是不要计算 at all，对不对？So 3 times 4 equals what? Equals 12. So 13 is bigger than 12. So that's
12.
why we go with the
37.
bigger one.
37.
37 is the answer. Get it. Very good. I think now everybody get it, right? Okay, so now challenge time, okay? So 7,056 square root equals what? Everybody, your turn. Okay, let me see if there's anybody, because Sammy, okay, think about the last digit first, okay? So the last digit.
I think I made a mistake. Wait.
Okay, 好，我看到好几个不同的答案啊。Okay, so let's first take a look at this one, okay? So if the last digit is 6, I want to ask everybody, did you have this one on your own page? You do this. Why it's a 2-digit? Because it's a 4-digit number. So 3-digit times 3-digit will be bigger than 4 digits. So that's why I know this is a 2-digit times 2-digit. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now I want to ask you, what is a possibility? So what is the number you put here? I want to ask Oliver.
Hmm? 4,
Very good. And
6.
very good. Okay, so everybody, that's the first thing. If your answer is 什么68，对吧？有些人如果有人再给我什么82，那肯定不对了，对不对？ So the last digit must be 4 or 6, but very good. Nobody in this class is sending me any weird answer. At least the last digit is always right. So you're already half right. Okay, so take away 2 digit away. Why? Because the last digit is kind of being determined by the last digit. 那我们来看前面两位，前面两位跟10位数有关。Understand? So 70, Ethan, let me ask you, it's bigger than what and smaller than what?
Square root 64 and square root 81.
No, 70. Yeah,
Oh,
70 square root? Yes, good. Yes, you,
8 and 9.
yes, I just want you to give me directly the number.
Oh, okay.
So it's so 8 and 9, right? Get it? Because square root 70, so or square root 64 and square root 81, correct? So you just to get this one here. 哦，那有些小朋友说，那老师 square root 70也大于 square root 25，也小于 square root 100呀。Of course, you're right, but the thing is, we want to have exactly the most closest one. Okay, because if you have square root 70 is bigger than square root 25 and smaller than square root 100, so square root 70 is bigger than 5 and smaller than 10. And this one is bigger than 8 and smaller than 9. So which one is more close? Very precisely this one. Get it, everybody? Okay, so we have this one here. So $86, $84. So which one? 8 times 9 equals 72. 70 is smaller than 72, so the answer is 84. Okay, let me see. Michael, Ethan, good job.
I chose the wrong number.
Yeah. Okay, get it? And we're getting there, okay, everybody? Very good. At least the whole entire class, your answers end up with something 4 and something 6. Like I said, it's already half right. 那为什么在10位数的选择上还是一样的？我们在做前面那个 half class 的时候，我们在说什么？我们说根号60大于什么小于什么？你不会去说啊，根号60大于1，小于根号100的呀。Right? You want to pick the number which is closest, the better. Right? Okay, so now let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so we're practicing, we're getting better. This one is very easy. I give you an easy one. Okay, everybody, 7,225. Good job, Ethan. Jasper, 你想想看啊，如果是35乘以35，
Oh, wait.
你看30乘以30才900，
That's
40乘以
25.
40才1600，然后在他们的中间这个数是35乘以35，是不是肯定在他们中间啊？你可不可能这么大的？ 哎，我现在我看到2个小朋友给我的答案是对的，OK，有2个小朋友是对的，very good。哦，Ethan 也是对的，三个，Ethan 是第一个发给我，对，我刚才就说，我看到 Michael 也对了，Yeah，Ismir White，我跟你讲哈，这个 这个 Daniel，这个东西从哪儿学的？还挺好玩的。Okay, so I'm going to start. Okay, Oliver, did you have your answer right already? 这个很简单啊。Don't you judge me language. OK，好好好，我烦死了我。Daniel，我看你的话，我都累死了。Okay, so everybody, so the last digit is 5. How many possible answers are there? Actually, when you see a number ended with 5, that's a great sign because you know what? It's always last with 5. Understand? 没有别的了，因为只有什么什么5乘以什么什么5，它 last digit 是什么什么5。Okay, so we take away these two. So 72. 72 is bigger than what? 8864嘛，对不对？70 square is bigger than 64 and smaller than 81. So square root 72 is bigger than 8 and smaller than 9. So all we need to do is put a here and it's done. Because we don't have to check which one to go with because there's only one option here. Understood, everybody?
Understood.
8836.
Wait, Carrie, is the question 8,000
836.
square root? Like, the square
Yeah,
root
yeah,
of
yeah, square root. I'm sorry.
that.
Yeah, good job. I have received Ethan, Michael, Carrie Law, and Daniel. Good job. Jasper, what are you doing? Come on. 你们人跑到哪里去了 Okay, Jasper, are you there?
I'm on the last part.
OK，我们再给一点点 Jasper 时间啊。还有另外一个 Carrie Law，你不发给我答案啦？Yes, oh, Daniel, you're right. OK, Jasper, 看一下啊，你再看一看你什么地方出了错 OK? So first of all, it is something six, or something four. Does everybody have any problem for the last digit? No, right? So Jasper used to have a little bit time like finding the first digit. Okay, Jasper, I need you to focus. Okay, because you need to focus. So square root 88. Square root 88. You tell me the answer is 86. You think 86 is the last answer. So if you think 86 is answer, so square root 88 should be bigger than 64 and smaller than 90. 100. But if you take them out, Jasper, look at me, okay? So 8 and the 10. So the differences between these two numbers should be 1. Get it? So that means this one is not small. It's not big enough. You can find another one. What is the next number bigger than 8?
9.
Yeah, so you try 9. 9 squared equals what? 81.
Answer
Is this one the
81.
better one? Is this one the better one?
Yeah.
Get it? So now you have 99 squared, so it's 81. So 8 square root 88 should be bigger than 9 and smaller than 10. So your here is 96 or 94. And you're very good. So 9 times 10 equals 90, and 88 is smaller than 90, so we pick the smaller one. So the answer should be 94. Get it?
Okay.
Get it, Jasper?
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody, one last question, okay? This is really the one last question, okay? So this one, we're moving forward.
Then
5-digit number. Okay, everybody, I'm not going to teach you how to do it. I want to see if there's anybody in this classroom is smart enough to can figure out the answer himself. Okay, Carrie Luo, good job. Daniel, good job. Both of you got it right. And Daniel, stop
More
saying
time, please.
每次都发给我一个答案，死了。
Carrie Lord, more time, please.
Okay. 首先，我们来看这个9，我们先想好 last digit 是什么？只有什么？是不是要么3，要么7啊？Correct？
Yep.
好了，我们现在看，它是个 4-digit number 了，可以2个位拿掉，127。So square root 127 is bigger than what and smaller than 不对 Square root what bigger than what? 121
Oh, 11. Oh, yes.
and 144，对不对？So it's
Or
11 and 12. Very good. So it's actually 113 or 117. So yes, we're moving forward to the 3 digits.
So it is 3-digit.
I can saw 11 times 12 is
11 times 12
Big.
equals 132, right? So we'll
Which is
compare with
big.
this one. So 127 is smaller than 132. So we pick the
100 or
Smaller.
smaller one. So 113. Jasper, 你的问题还是在那个地方，你没有
Yeah.
找到，你现在告诉我是97。OK，
I
如果这里是9 127，那 square root 是什么？号81，然后 smaller than what？
yeah is
smaller than 144。那你看好了，12和9之间相差了多少？相差了3个。我就说你
3.
前后相差的东西只能等于1。Understand, Jasper?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, get it, everybody? Okay, so I'm going to give you some questions to practice when you go home, okay? So this is a part we're going to do it. So now I don't have a lot of time, but there's a part I want all of you to review with me, okay? This thing is called fraction. To be honest, I think every single one of you in my class know that you know fraction very well, right? Everybody think you know fraction very well. But I find a lot of you understand how to calculate it. But when you see the word problem, you're starting to a little bit confused. Am I right? Right? When we do the word problem, it's always a little bit confused. Okay. So now I want you to take a look at this question and let's just do a little bit review because we learned a lot of fraction, like square root and everything today already. So we're going to review a little bit the the fractions word problem. Okay, so give you some fun time. It's not always just everything, just using your brain for such a long time. Okay, so everybody, pretty easy. Okay, so let's take a look at number 8. To make a dress, 1/3, 1 and 1/3 yards of materials required. How many dresses can be made from 32 yards of material?
Wait, are you only doing question number 8?
Yes. Just a quick,
Okay.
yeah, send it to me. OK，我们先来看一下这道题目啊。如果我们不会做这道题目，OK，如果老师现在给你的题目是 To make a dress, I need 2 yards of material, and how many dresses can be made from 32 yards? How do we do it? I think everybody can give me the answer. 32 divided by 2 equals 16, right? 16 dresses. Okay, so now I want everybody, if you are really good at calculation, you don't have to listen to me this part. But everybody, I think now the thing I want to teach you is going to be really, really useful when you go to the high school or even when you go to the university, you're studying math or whatever. There is a very good technique. It's called estimate. Okay, so why people think estimate is really important? Michael, you need to listen to me, okay? Daniel, everybody listen to me. Why estimate is very important? It's because if you could estimate, you can know the roughly, remember we said square root 7 equals what? We do roughly, right? So today is about roughly. So, 好 Michael 说了，老师你骗人，你跟我们说了数学是必须 precisely right 的，你现在又来跟我说 roughly，你这个骗子，不是老师骗你 ，OK？Roughly is the best way to check your answer if it is right or not. Get it? Okay, Michael, so let's see. So let me ask you. 2 is bigger than 1 and 1/3, right? 那
Yes.
如果32除以2等于16，也就是说，如果我要用 2 yards to make a dress, I only can make 16 dresses. And if every single dress I use less material, so I know this number must be bigger than 16, correct? My answer must be 16. 好，那我在想，如果我这个题目是 make a dress, only 1 yards of materials is required. So how many dresses I can make, Jasper?
32.
32 dresses, yes. So I know my material required is more than 1. 所以我这个 dress 的数字肯定是大于16，小于32. Do you understand, everybody? Do you understand my thing? Do you understand? Understood. Okay, very good. Okay, 如果你的答案刚好在16和32之间 congratulations, big possibility, you're right. If your answer is out of this range, I'm sorry, big possibility, you get it wrong. Okay, and now back to the equation. Some students said, 老师，当我一看到有 fraction 的时候，我就很害怕，因为如果它是 r， 我就一点都不害怕。32除以 r 等于16，我做完了。可是题目不是 r 呀，题目是1有1/3呀。我真希望我有 ability 可以改题目呀。Yes, you can, Ethan. You can change the question, but on your own page, okay? You can just pretend it is 2 and make this equation. Now, move this thing back. 因为不是2呀，那是什么呀？是 1 and 1/3. Get it, everybody? Trust me, when I was at your age, I'm doing
That
something.
is what I did.
When I'm doing something super, super duper hard, I'm scared as well. So when you're scared of something, just to replace something that you are not scared of. Understand, Carrie Law? Okay, so that is the thing. I'm not saying this question, this number you're scared, but I'm just saying in future, if you see anything you're scared, replace it with something, some number you're not scared. Jasper, even the same thing. For instance, you're so scared of eating beef. I know you love beef. I'm just for instance, okay? Just in your heart, replaced with something you love. That is the best way of solving every single question. Okay, so now 32 divided by 4/3, right? And then what's next? 32 times 3/4 switched. And this one is 8. So the answer is 24.
24.
I can check. 24 is bigger than 16 and smaller than 32. I get the answer, 24 dresses. And the most important thing is everybody, if you gave me the answer, only just 24 dresses, wrong. You have to give me 32 divided by 1 and 1 over 3 equals. Everybody get it? So that is the next level's requirement, okay? So I think you understood. Number 9, please do it yourself, okay? Good job, okay? Very good. This is very
Hey,
easy.
I'm almost done. Almost done.
Okay. OK，我们说一下，这个很重要，小朋友们。当你看到这个 seven cakes 的时候，把它写成是阿拉伯数字。To bake 7 cakes, 24 and
I'm done.
24 and cups of the flour are required. How many cups of flour are required for each cake? 24 and a half divided by 7, right? So everybody, when you're doing the division of the fraction, remember you need to first make them into the improper fraction. Okay, Ethan, correct? Okay, so 49 over 2 divided by 7 equals 49 over 2 times 1 over 7. Get it, Michael? Okay, so 49 and 7 is 7. So you're very close to right. So 你把这个地方忘了，对不对？ 7 over 2 cups. Or you can say 3.5 cups. Okay, I just noticed that a lot of student doesn't quite familiar with how to do the mixed number divided by a number. Okay, so number 10 and number 11, both of them.
Sorry.
Mhm.
I think Michael left.
Michael's there?
Yeah, he just left.
No, he's here. He just maybe he is going to the
All right,
washroom.
I'm back.
Okay. Okay, number 10, number 11. Okay, so I have received all the different answers. Okay, just to give you another. 你们两个干嘛？
Carrie, you scared me.
No, it's because my dog is kind of like, I don't know, what are they doing? Michael? No. Bagel! Back! Bagel, bagel, bagel! Bagel, buddy!
Almost done.
Okay. So everybody, I still do this, okay? 14-story buildings, okay, is 45.5 meter height. What is height? So 45.5 divided by 14, right? So everybody, so this one's 91/2 times 1/14. So the answer is 7. 14-story. Sorry, 哎呀，我这里我也错了。A 14-story building 其实只有什么？只有13层，是不是？因为第一层没有的，所以应该13，对不对？所以等于 7/2啊。这个题目好狡猾啊，这个题目狡猾的不得了啊，这个题目狡猾的不得了啊，小朋友们看一看这个题目啊，你看14层的楼，你看1楼、2楼、3楼，你看如果我是一个3层楼的楼，你看1楼、2楼、3楼、4楼，你看我只有几个 ？It's only 3 differences. So that's why it's 14 minus 1 equals 13啊，狡猾的很，这道题目太狡猾了啊！你们看到这道题目，老师都差一点做错了啊。A pitcher has 13 and 2/3 cups of lemonade. If the lemonade is divided equally among 5 people, how much does each people receive? So 16 and 2/3 divided by 5 equals 50/3 times 1/5 equals 10/3. So equals 3.3.
Wait,
333.
Carrie,
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand question 10. Like this, it says a 14-story building. Why is it 13?
我刚才画出来了呀，你没有看到吗？你看看，你如果去一个楼上，1楼有没有的啦？1楼没有的，1楼就是平地啊。你去学校里面，学校2楼，2楼你要走楼梯啊，1楼要走楼梯了啦。1楼没有的呀。
Level 1 still counts as a floor.
对，没有啊，对，你的是 how height。What is the height of each story？ 就是问你这个每一层之间间隔是多少啊？
Level 1 counts as a level. It counts.
没有，但是它没有跟这个东西形成 height，Michael。Yes, it counts。可是1楼有没有跟下面？你没有地下室，它要1楼和什么东西形成了一个 height？There's no.
What if there's a 1-story house?
Yeah, 1-story house.
So
没有
there's no one.
1-story
Yeah,
house.
but a 1-story house still has a
1 to
height.
2 is a height. So 2 to 3 is a height. 3 to 5 is a height. 5 to 6 is a height. Get it, everybody? You should go to, because in Canada, there are not a lot of like high buildings, so you probably don't understand that. But think about it. 如果你们家里有3层楼，1楼到2楼是7米，然后是3米，然后1楼到2楼是3米，2楼到3楼是3米，3楼到4楼是3米，那你们家一共是12米啊，你们家一共才9米啊。Understand? Okay, so that's it for today's class, and I'm going to send you the homework, and please practice 我们要 practice 我们今天上面学的那个 square root 的题目，知道吗 ？Jasper， 你特别要注意，你要把这2个数夹的中间只有1位数 ，understand? The differences cannot be 一个8，一个12，不行，太远了，明白吗
Yeah.
Jasper?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're gonna see each other next week. Okay, bye bye.